Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best cleaning solutions for your home and business. Today we're going to show you how to properly clean and treat your concrete driveway. Our Honda IGX 800 pressure washer is started and ready to go. We're going to be downstreaming our SH onto the driveway before using a surface cleaner. This helps break up dirt, algae, and organic stains. Today, I am using a DJI Mavic 3 drone to capture the process from above. This is perfect for getting a unique view and great before and after shots. On this job, we're using a Whisper Wash 48-inch surface cleaner, which is attached to our pressure washer. This amazing tool can clean up to 100 square feet per minute at 3,000 psi and 8 gallons per minute. And as you can see, it does a great job after rinsing, though we will need to post-treat to get remaining organic stains and algae that are still in the concrete. This is common on older driveways where trees are nearby. And there you have it, folks, a perfectly cleaned and treated driveway. Thanks to our amazing tools and 15 years in business. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more pressure cleaning videos. Until next time.